It's Mrs. Taylor. Today I want to talk to you about writing the first body paragraph of your essay. Now, you'll need to have two things to get started with your essay writing today. You'll need to go back and pull up that essay writing document. You can see it now on my screen, but you'll need to pull up your copy. You'll also need your graphic organizer that you did your research on last week. That graphic organizer is going to make this really, really easy. So when you have those things, you're ready to write the first body paragraph of your essay. Each body paragraph is going to be made from one piece of your evidence. You'll have 3 in total, a body paragraph for each piece of evidence that you found. Today, we want to focus on your first piece of evidence. So evidence 1. Your body paragraph is going to have a topic sentence that restates your claim and your reason. If you think back to last week when I wrote my first piece of evidence, I was writing that the hunter-gatherer food chain should feed America, and my first piece of evidence was that hunter-gatherer societies are happier. So my first body paragraph is going to prove that point. I'm going to restate that as a topic sentence for that paragraph. The hunter-gatherer food chain should feed America because hunter-gatherer societies are happier. Then I'm going to include strong evidence from my text or my articles in the form of facts or statistics or quotes from experts. So facts are facts. We know what those are. Statistics are facts with numbers in them. So a number fact. And the quotes from experts are things that people who know what they're talking about in that field have said about your idea. You can also use a real life example. I wrote about hunter-gatherer societies being happier, and I found a quote from an expert that said that thing. And then after that, you want to include an explanation of how your text or your evidence proves that part of the claim you're making. I went ahead and wrote out my body paragraph for you guys. I'm going to show you where it does each of the things. The hunter-gatherer food chain should feed America because research shows that hunter-gatherers are happier than those that rely on agriculture. Agriculture is just a fancy word for farming. In the article, Are Hunter-Gatherers the Happiest Humans to Inhabit Earth? Micheline Duhleff states that hunter-gatherers are more content with their lives because they have very few wants and their needs are met. She says, quote, by contrast, the mantra of modern economics is that of limited scarcity, that we have infinite wants and limited means. This means that hunter-gatherers want less than their farming counterparts, and that makes them happier, which is a good reason America should rely on the hunter-gatherer food chain. We all want to be happy. That's what I'm proving in that body paragraph. And I did that using the exact format up here, and it was really simple. All I had to do was write my topic sentence, which I did, state my evidence, and then explain my evidence. So topic, evidence, explanation. It's so simple. So at the close of this video, and you are welcome to watch it again if you need to, I want you to pull up those 2 things, your essay writing doc that you started yesterday with your introductory paragraph or your opening paragraph. And then I want you to go and get that graphic organizer, and I want you to start that body paragraph. Tomorrow, you're going to write body paragraphs 2 and 3. And if you need to watch this again to do body paragraphs 2 and 3, that is just fine. But I know you can do it. You are going to write some great, absolutely fantastic paragraphs, and I look forward to reading them. Thank you so much, kids, and have a great